I'm videoing now.
There's big baby queen. Think she's got a baby there, Poppy?
Hopefully.
It's starting to wave a bit, isn't it? You're nice and calm, Darcy. Mr. Darcy.
Comparatively.
Now there's dog piddle around here.
Why is that then?
Look, you two. They've been going at it all afternoon, good.
Who, red and purple?
Anne, are you videoing?
Yeah.
Can you turn the sound off?
Yes.
Anne told me that red has nicer structure than pink. And they said, really? She said, well, she's got a nicer head. I said, that's not structure. She actually doesn't. I mean, she does have a nice head.
Hi, Mrs. White. Mr. White.
Hi.
Mr. White.
They're sure not afraid of things that wobble, are they?
They're not afraid of anything, really. I mean, they did well in that noise test and everything, didn't they?
Yeah, they really did.
You could do some cleaning up here. I get in the middle of that one.
Darcy and the wildebeest over there.
It's so